Alright, good morning from Pattaya, Thailand. Believe it or not, it is day 6 for me here. I can't believe it. It's day 6 already. Um, I've had a great time. I'm so happy to be here. Um, so basically what's going on today is I will be doing my first live stream. So that's later on today, but I'll still release this video beforehand. Um, Basically, I'm switching hotels again. You guys know when I got here, I checked into the Hard Rock Hotel. By far, the friendliest hotel staff I've ever encountered. Not just in Thailand, I mean ever. That hotel, really nice rooms. Love the pool there, and the staff I just can't say enough about. But it's out of my price range. I didn't even ask the monthly rates because I didn't have to. I know it's going to be out of my price range. Um, but I came to here to the Reka Lodge or Rika Lodge, however you say it. I've stayed here 3 nights now to get a feel for it because I want to stick to this area, very close to like Tree Town, LK Metro, stuff like that. And I love the area, so I really do like this area a lot. However, I got a monthly rate from them, and they wanted 16,000 Thai baht, which equivalates roughly to about 600 US dollars a month. And that's with cleaning 3 times a month and no breakfast included. I think that's a little steep. Maybe I'm just being cheap, I don't know. But I think that's a little steep, so I'm gonna go get a couple of other prices. I know in my video from 2 or 3 days ago, I showed the one that's almost literally right across the street from here. It's called LK Metropole, and they have a 9,500 baht monthly offer, but it includes zero cleaning. It includes no elevators. You're basically using like their side tower for the monthly stays. So I'm gonna go get a little bit more information on that one and see if they'll let me check out the room, but I doubt it. Someone else told me that they're not really keen to show rooms right now because of the current situation. So I'll try, and if they let me, I'll take a video of it, but I highly doubt it. And then I'm gonna go check out one other place that I got a quote on, and that one is saying 10,000 baht a month, and they'll clean your room twice a week. So I'm gonna go check that one out too. I've never heard of it. That's the only reason why I'm kind of iffy. But the reviews online are actually pretty good. So I'm gonna go check that out. And same thing, if they let me do a room tour, I'll try to get the video on and take a quick tour. Anyway, I'll update you with what I end up doing. There's a couple other prices that are really good on Agoda too. So I'll end up making some kind of a move today and update you. All right, so just an update. Basically, I went to the one that I was looking at online yesterday. It was recommended to me. They replied to me last night on Facebook, so I thought everything was good to go. I went to go check out a room and see if it was an option, and their hotel is completely shut down right now. So that didn't work out exactly how I wanted it to. So I ended up at LK Metropole, literally right across the street from my old hotel almost. It's the one in my video from 2 or 3 days ago that I passed by and I showed the sign. Basically, it's 9,500 Thai baht a month, but there's no cleaning involved. Other than that, and it's in a separate tower, so there's no like elevators, so I'm on the 3rd floor, so it's just stairs. Other than that, I'm really impressed with the price. It equaled about 280 something US dollars per month, but here's the room right here. So you have your nightstands, you have, looks like it's either a queen or a king bed. It might be a king. You have a TV. I actually have a full desk on this one. It includes Wi-Fi, medium-sized fridge. You have your coffee maker. I'm not really gonna have coffee or anything because they don't clean the room. It doesn't involve or include room cleaning. So, like a little couch sleeper thingy, chair, whatever you want to call it. Actually, a pretty big closet. It includes a safe as well. But there's basically 3 doors to this closet, so it's actually pretty big. And I got the corner room, so mine actually includes a balcony. She showed me basically 2 options, and one of them didn't include the balcony because it was a middle room, but this one has a balcony. As you can see, it's a pretty big balcony actually. It has a little table and 2 chairs. So here's the sign. I'll see if I can show you from here. That 9,500 baht a month for the junior room, that's what I got. So as you can see, there's a little cafe right outside. I mean, I'm literally right around the corner from LK Metro. You can kind of see their pool from here. So honestly, I really have everything I need right here. So I'm really excited about it. I'm happy about it. I'll show you the bathroom. That's the final thing to show you. For all my viewers, just know it's the same thing here. The bathtub is very high. So just know that the bathtub is high if any of you have knee problems or anything. But yeah, decent little bathroom. Again, it doesn't include anything. So here you're gonna have to go buy like your shampoo, soap, body wash, whatever you use. And then you're probably gonna have to go buy at least a couple more towels. You know, this one comes with 2, but you're kind of on your own to clean them and wash them. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Other than that, if you ask me, the room is great for the price. It includes really everything you need. Has air conditioning, Wi-Fi. So I'm really happy with it. I hope this was helpful, kind of giving you, any of you that would be here soon, at least you know about this current deal. But yeah, I'm blown away by this room so far. So I'm gonna go check out of my other room, bring my stuff over. It's right across the street, and then I will check in with y'all later on. Welcome to rain season. Alright, so welcome to rain season in Thailand. It was literally pouring, like pouring, less than an hour ago. And now it cleared up. It's still partly cloudy out, so I don't know if it's gonna rain anymore or not, but I mean, I'll show you around. Of course, I know I've already walked this street, so you already know how it is, but yeah. Here's how it looks on a cloudy day. Surprisingly, these vendors right here, they get a decent amount of people in the afternoon and early evening time. So I'll have to try it one day. Looks like, I mean, hey, it's always has people. It can't be wrong, right? A lot of 7-Elevens are closed, but there's so many that you can still find a 7-Eleven pretty easily. But as you can see, there's still a lot around here. So that's why I wanted to stick to this area for my hotel. Because I mean, look, you still have food options right here. I mean, whatever it is you're after. There's a ton of massage options. Soy 11 still has massages open. A few of them, I would say at least 4 or 5. I found a laundry on Soy 11, so I gotta drop off some laundry probably later on today. But there's still a lot of stuff on here. So even with a lot of businesses still closed, obviously, you'll still find like whatever it is you're looking for. So yeah, I'm enjoying it out here so far. You just gotta find like where to eat and stuff like that. Some bars are operating only as a restaurant, so keep that in mind too. So I mean, food wise, you'll find stuff. I also gotta get a haircut tomorrow too. So tomorrow I'll probably get drop off laundry, or maybe I'll drop off my laundry today and then pick it up tomorrow and get a haircut done tomorrow. It is a huge relief that I got a monthly rental now. So I have that place for a month, you know. I can actually unpack my bag properly, which is huge to me. So I'm really glad. That's actually a big weight lifted off my shoulders. So I'm very happy. I'll report back in a few days how I'm liking it so far, but the room seemed pretty good. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to me. Please let me know in the comments if there's any area you'd like me to do a walk around on. I'm always happy to hear suggestions. As usual, please make today count. It's a beautiful day. Make it happen. Go after your goals. Make it count. Thank you so much. Have a good one.